Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you guys the recipe of ramen fried rice or fried rice ramen. It's a very simple recipe and all you need is a pack of ramen and a bowl of rice. Hope you guys enjoy it and please don't forget to give a thumbs up, comments, and subscribe with bell for more content. Thank you! This one is called Buldak Ramen I'll be using today. It has a hot and spicy chicken flavor and you can get it from Asian market or Korean market. I will also be using 1 tablespoon of chili oil for extra flavor, Serrano pepper, a bowl of rice, roasted seaweed, egg, and mozzarella cheese. And of course, if you like, you can always add some meat, ham, or whatever else you like. What I'm showing you today is a very basic recipe. Cut the corner of the ramen package and crush up the noodles into small pieces. Inside of the ramen package, there are sesame flakes for topping and ramen sauce. Fry 1 egg and set aside, and this is all the preparations. So let's make ramen fried rice.